My name is Bernice Woff. I'm the Development Officer at the Wales TUC and I look after the ULR Network of Excellence meetings. The Network of Excellence holds regular development days for ULRs. At one of our recent days, learning reps took part in a workshop to learn how to use the new Value My Skills cards produced by the TUC. The Value My Skills cards have been designed by the TUC to help learners recognise their transferable skills. If you or a member are interested in a new job, a course, a promotion or some voluntary work, use these cards to help you and your colleagues to think about the transferable skills that you have. They are also very helpful for people thinking about retirement or for those looking for a complete career change. The cards are colour-coded into 4 different skill types: people, ideas, things and data. The cards give different examples of these kinds of transferable skills. The skills listed are found in a range of occupations, paid or unpaid, and in other life roles. Examples are often everyday things that people might do but not necessarily consider as a skill. To use the cards, you need to find a large table or space to lay the cards out. There are 56 cards in total that you can place next to one of the blue competency headings cards, which you think is the most appropriate. You may be surprised at the skills that you find in the very competent and the competent categories. You will then have the basis of a skills action plan for the immediate or long-term future and words to describe your skills and aptitudes to an employer or perhaps a course provider. You can find out more about the ULR Network of Excellence and the ULR Development Days by going to our website. You'll find a link on the website as well for our e-newsletter, Net News, full of information that's very useful for ULRs. You can find out about the Value My Skills cards again on the Wales TUC Learn website, and you'll be able to find and order packs there.